I'm Dawn Jackson-Blattner, registered dietitian nutritionist. Our recent study on fortified eggs, specifically Eggland's Best Eggs, investigated the effects of consuming 12 or more fortified eggs per week on high-risk individuals. After 4 months, no significant differences in cholesterol levels or heart health markers were found. So, this suggests that fortified eggs, like Eggland's Best Eggs, which contain less saturated fat and increased levels of B12, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D, have no negative impact on markers of cardiovascular risk, and in fact can be part of a healthy diet even for those with cardiovascular concerns.